Hey, good Tuesday evening, and thank you for checking out the latest Mr. Quik local video forecast update. This is Kirk Hens here, meteorologist with BAM Weather, and just a glance here at your forecast over the next 5 to 7 days. Other than a couple days like Friday, next Tuesday, we really do have a very unsettled pattern here, especially in the short-term forecast, where as we go into especially tomorrow afternoon into the evening into Thursday morning, we have a lot of rainfall potential and even some strong to severe storms here. I'll get into that here in a second here. Temperatures topping out tomorrow, Wednesday, as we go about 80 degrees, and then cooler on Thursday before I return back to more seasonal as we go to end the week and open up the weekend here. So looking at the latest simulated radar guidance here as we kind of conclude the evening, showers and storms are starting to wind down as we go into the overnight, and as we're waking up into tomorrow morning, I don't anticipate to be a lot on the radar. Now, as we're approaching the noon hour, and especially noon and afternoon, we will start to see kind of some discrete cells on and off here. A couple of these could be a little bit stronger to severe, heavier in nature, but the bigger threat will come after about 6 p.m. here to 8 p.m. in the form of a strong cluster here. We can be talking about damaging winds, isolated large hail, isolated tornadoes here, and again, very heavy rainfall. Again, really after about 5 to 6 p.m. here into the sunset hours as well. And then that round will push off to the east. Now, the low pressure system is still yet to come through. We probably see an additional hit as we're approaching the midnight hour tomorrow night, an unsettled overnight period, and by the time we're waking up into Thursday morning, we are still seeing some precipitation lingering around, hence that 80%. A couple of these could be a little bit heavier in nature with some thunderstorms still possible. So when it's all said and done, I know there's a lot going on this map here. This is precipitation guidance. It's because there's a lot of splotchy nature in terms of the shower and storm threat. There's multiple rounds as well. For Indianapolis, there's a legitimate shot given the multiple waves on their day on Wednesday afternoon into the evening into the overnight. We could see anywhere between 1 to 2 inches. We could see if we get both of those waves. We could see 2 to 3 inches as well. So probably end up somewhere between 1.5 inches, 2 inches. Do not be surprised locally, though, if you see a little bit higher than that going forward. So the good news is, like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, as we go late Thursday and especially into our Friday, the skies start to clear. It's going to be a beautiful day out there. Enjoy it. Another unsettled weekend ahead, that is for sure. So that's all I have today, guys. Have a wonderful and blessed evening. We'll talk to you tomorrow, and have a good one.